Hi everyone, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics. And if you have someone or some people that just won't leave you alone, whether it's at your job, whether it's your spouse or your mate, maybe it's a next door neighbor, whatever it is, if you got people that's always throwing jabs at you and just making you feel awful, you landed on the right video. Today I'm going to give you the honey technique, which I have done in the past, but I'm bringing it back for the 2025 and for those people who didn't see it. This technique is going to help you make people sweeter towards you. So again, you guys, we're talking about the honey technique and how to make these people sweeter to you. Now, before we get started, if you're new to My World of Metaphysics, this is a law of attraction metaphysical channel that focuses on all type of manifestation techniques, whether we're talking about affirmations, scripting, blowing cinnamon, everything is right here all on one channel. So the only thing I'm asking for you to do is to please like, subscribe, tap the bell, but most of all, just keep watching the videos. Now, let's get to the honey ritual to make those people nasty turn sweet. I'm back, everyone. Like, wow, woo! You can use this technique for any situation. And again, I want to explain why this technique works. The first thing you need to know is that whatever it is that's going on in your life, somehow, some way, you attracted it, okay? Whatever you're paying attention to, whatever you're watching on TV, how you're thinking inside, whatever it is, you attract it. Now, that person could have went ahead and harassed someone else. But for some reason, your energy and their energy connected, whether it's in a good way or a bad way, and you attracted that situation to you. But beyond that, okay, it happened. We all been there, including myself, you guys. And sometimes you just need to get those people off your back, you know? First thing I would do is talk to God and my angels, okay? That's first and foremost. But for those people that just need the extra boost, the honey technique will work. Now, how does this work? Honey is known as a sweetener, whether we use it in our coffee, our tea, in our food. It is a natural sweetener. In feng shui, we use honey to make things sweet. Okay? And this is what we're talking about right now. Now, you might be saying that what type of honey should I get? This right here is pure 100% honey. You can get whatever honey you have. But the thing is setting the intention while you're doing this ritual. Again, keep watching this video all the way to the end because I have another tip that's going to supercharge this ritual. So now, when we're talking about the honey, okay? Only thing you're going to need is your honey, a piece of paper, something to write with, and listen, if you are very connected to this person and have a picture of them, get a picture of them, okay? That's all you need. Oh, and you're going to need some kind of plate, you're going to need some kind of container, whatever, okay? Now, the only thing you're going to do is write the person name on the paper. Now, you can write the person name, you can write the company name if it's a job situation, and then you can list all the people or just the job itself on the paper, okay? Because we only want to stick with one situation with this, okay? You guys, we're not going to put a million situations because if you got a million situations going on, you really need to look at yourself, okay? And maybe put some honey on yourself. So if it's your job, you're going to write your company name. And if it's main people in the company, you can write their names on it too, okay? On the back, you can even write something like, leave me alone, be sweet to me, whatever you want, okay? Now, if it's a specific person, you can write their name if you know their date of birth, and you can write on there, be sweet to me, be nicer to me, okay? Now, if you have a picture of that person, make sure it's a picture you don't mind messing up because after this technique, you probably won't be able to use the picture anymore. So you can go to Walgreens or whatever and make a 30-cent, 40-cent copy of the picture, and you're going to use that. Now, what you're going to do is one day when you're by yourself and you're quiet and you have time to concentrate, you're going to basically find that time and be alone, and you're going to think of that person. But now here's the tip. I want you to think of that person being nice to you, those people being nice to you. I want you to see those people's face, okay? And if you have a picture, you can actually look at the picture. Now, once you do this, I need you to say something as simple as, thank you, God, for blessing me. Such and such is now nice to me. Or you could just say, universe, make this person nice to me. I don't want you to focus on negative words like, stop being mean to me, because the main word is mean, and we don't want to focus on that. Just focus on this person being nice to you and say, thank you for being nice to me. Thank you for being nice to me. Universe, thank you for helping me make this person nice to me. This is done. It's over. I release, I let go, and I trust. That's it. And what you're going to do, you're going to take the person picture and you're going to pour honey on it as you still state this person is being nice to you. Okay? If it's a piece of paper that you wrote on, you're going to do the same thing and pour the honey on the paper. Now, some of you might be saying, well, Yvette, what do we do after that? You're going to release, let go, and trust that this is over. And you're going to place it somewhere where no one would see it for 7 days. If you want to, you can leave it there until this situation is resolved, but you're going to place it somewhere for 7 days at least, okay? Now, where would I place this? I would place this where no one can see it. And I usually do something like this, and I place it above my refrigerator towards the back. Many people are not tall enough to see what's on top of your refrigerator, and they're definitely not looking there, and they're definitely not looking in the back of your refrigerator, at the top towards the back of your refrigerator. And I will leave it there. Some people might place it in their cabinet and close the door, okay? Now, I get a lot of questions where people are asking me, well, Yvette, like, what about bugs? Well, I don't really have bugs in my house, but sometimes we do get ants and mosquitoes and things like that during the summer months. It is okay to place this in a closed container. It's up to you how you want to do this. The whole thing is setting the intent and setting that this person is nicer to you. And that's all you need to know. Place it there for 7 days. If you want to, you can come back and grab it and say, thank you for being nice to me, and still visualize this person being nice to you and put it back. Now, here's the tip. Because you attracted this into your life, I need you to be nice to that person, no matter what. If you walk by that person, you either walk by or you stop and you say hello, whatever, or say hello and keep walking. If the person is really that harassing to you, just walk by this person or just leave this person alone, okay? And keep a smile on your face. Do not go to this person or interact with this person in a negative way. Whatever you want to say, but say it in a nice way and move on. Let that person go and harass someone else, okay? Once you're on a different level from them, they have to move away, because this is the law of assumption. Once you are on another level of consciousness, that person has to wither away because they're still at a lower frequency. Here's a tip for those people that are still here, okay? If you want to, once you pour the honey on the paper or the picture, just a little bit, okay, you guys? You can absolutely add a little bit of cinnamon. Why am I saying cinnamon? Cinnamon is known for abundance, but at the same time, cinnamon is also known as a protector. Telling you guys something a little new today, okay? So you can absolutely sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon on top of the honey to actually not only help this person be nice to you, but also to protect you. Another tip, you can also sprinkle a little bit of sea salt, not on top, but around the picture or the paper. Again, enforcing, clearing away negative energy, pushing away negative energy, and at the same time fostering positive energy, happiness, sweetness, and you cannot go wrong. Now, again, everyone, remember, you attracted this into your life. Do this, leave it there for 7 days. After the 7 days, I want you to either throw it out, put it in a bag, rinse the plate out, put the plate in the dishwasher or wash it, take whatever it is on top, wait until it's the garbage man time, put it in the garbage away from the house, and let the garbage man take it. This is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics, giving you powerful, powerful rituals to help change your life. If you want to support me, don't forget to go out there and get my Simple Money Rituals book, where this is nothing but money rituals, you guys, located on Amazon, Barnes & Nobles, on my website. Please go out there and get it if you're trying to manifest that money. If you want spiritual items, you guys, like bracelets, like what I'm wearing, or you want some spiritual rituals like the earth kit bath or sea salt bath, or you need candles to burn for certain situations, don't forget, you guys, to go out there and visit my website, my store, so that you can get these items, okay? And don't forget, if you want to, visit my website and sign up, because I send out blogs every 2 weeks where you'll also learn things like this and receive discounts on items, things like that. So go to my website and sign up, you guys. Again, don't forget to go out there and get some of my books. I got journals, everything is out there. And listen, sign up for my World of Metaphysics ritual channel, where I'm going to start focusing on a lot, giving you less than 5-minute rituals. None of my talking. It's just basically rituals to help you learn what you need to do to correct your life. Okay, everyone? So again, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics. Booyah! And namaste.